Today, let's explore the wonderful world of Etsy and discover the fantastic advantages of starting your very own Etsy store. If you've been considering it, stick around because you won't want to miss this. Etsy provides you with a ready-made marketplace. With millions of buyers visiting Etsy daily, your products instantly reach a global audience. You don't need to worry about building a website from scratch or spending a fortune on advertising. Etsy handles the heavy lifting for you. Setting up your Etsy shop is a breeze. It's user-friendly and doesn't require any technical skills. Whether you're a tech pro or just starting online, your shop can be up and running in no time. One of the most exciting aspects of Etsy is that you can sell a variety of items, from handmade crafts to vintage treasures and even digital downloads. You don't need a massive budget to start selling on Etsy. It's incredibly affordable. Listing fees are minimal and you only pay when you list or sell an item. Plus, with our special link in the description, you can get 40 free listings to kickstart your shop. In this tutorial video, I'll guide you through the simple process of setting up your very own Etsy shop. To begin, head over to Etsy's website. You can either click the link in the description for 40 free listings or go directly to Etsy.com. You'll need to create an account or sign in if you already have one. At the time of this recording, these are the sign-up instructions, and they're expected to remain quite similar for the foreseeable future. Clicking Sign In will open a pop-up window. Within this pop-up, you have the option to sign in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. Alternatively, you can choose to create a new account by providing your email address. While I suggest using your email address for independence from other platforms' login information, the choice is entirely yours. Go with what suits you best. Once you're signed in, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Sell on Etsy. This step is crucial to setting up your shop for selling on Etsy. Keep in mind that having an active shop is an essential prerequisite for success on this platform. Skipping this step is not an option. Now, let's dive in. Click on Get Started. Next, click on Let's Do This. Etsy will then ask you, what brought you to Etsy? Simply answer these questions based on your goals on Etsy and click Next. Next, Etsy will inquire if there's anything you need help with. Click on any topics you'd like more information about, and Etsy will email you with relevant information. Then click Next. Click on Start Your Shop. Here, you'll configure your shop preferences. This page sets your shop's fundamental defaults. Choose your shop's language, country, and currency. The default language is English. The default country is the United States, but you'll need to change this to your own country. Please note that Etsy's availability may not cover all countries, so check if your country is listed. If not, you might not be eligible to sell on Etsy. On this page, you'll also be prompted to select your preferred shop currency. The default is the US dollar, but you can adjust it to your preference. Click Save and Continue. Next, you'll need to name your shop. It's best to have an idea in mind, as your shop name must be unique and not already in use. Your shop's name should be memorable and reflect your style, niche, and products. I suggest that you have multiple names in mind in case your name is already taken. Enter your shop name. If it's already taken, you'll find alternative options suggested below or try something new. These are available names you can consider. Before you start, it's advisable to have a clear shop name in mind. You can only change it once. Click the black Save and Continue button when you're satisfied. Now let's create your first listing. It's best to have your product information ready, but if you don't, you can create a dummy listing with fake information. Just make it clear in the title that the item is fake and will be deleted. This will cost you 20 cents or use one of your free listings if you used my link. There are many options for creating a listing. For now, we'll cover the basic information you need for your first listing. You can sell both physical and digital products on Etsy. Now let's go through setting up a physical product before discussing selling digital products. For our example, I've set up a print-on-demand t-shirt. Begin by crafting a compelling title. Be descriptive and concise, and use relevant keywords. For example, take me to the mountains. Retro sunset t-shirt for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Mountain t-shirt, sunset t-shirt, retro t-shirt. You have 140 characters, so try to use as many as you can. A helpful tip is to search for similar products and draw inspiration from 10 to 15 listings selling similar items. Don't copy them exactly, but use them as a reference for creating a good title. Let's talk about photos and videos. You can use up to 10 photos and 1 video. Etsy recently changed its recommended image size. They found that square images sell best and now encourage everyone to use them. They still support the old rectangle format, but they recommend an image size of 2000 pixels square. Ensure your images are of high quality and clear. Nothing influences your customers more than a great image. The first image becomes the listing thumbnail that customers will see in the search results. Consider including images like a high-quality product photo with a plain background and good lighting, a real-life usage image or mock-up of the product, a photo demonstrating the product's size, a close-up highlighting product features, an image of your product's packaging, an image of your product being made, or a group photo of all available colors. Some shops also post coupon codes offering a percentage off. You're allowed 1 video of your product. This could feature a model wearing or someone using your product. For more mock-up options, there's a fantastic website called Place It. Click the link in my description to visit their site. On Place It, you can upload your design to create stunning mock-ups and videos for print-on-demand products like t-shirts, hoodies, pillows, phone cases, drinkware and more. Have a look at some of these mock-ups. If you search for video mock-ups, you can also see the video mock-ups they offer. Let's get back to our listing. Now, let's talk about your listing description. This is where you provide potential buyers with all the details about your product. Start with a paragraph about your product, using keywords that describe it, and use keywords that customers may search for. Include what makes your product unique, the materials used, your return and shipping policies, and don't forget to specify dimensions, colors, and any customization options. Moving on to pricing and variations. Here, you can set the price, quantity, and SKU number. If you have variations like colors or sizes, you can add them here by clicking Manage Variations. Next, focus on core details. You can specify whether your product is physical or digital. Choose the most relevant category for your product by typing what category you think it should be in the search field, and Etsy will provide recommendations. Try to fill out as many attributes as possible to help customers find your listing. Tags are vital. You can choose up to 13 tags, and it's essential to use all 13. Tags are keywords describing your listing, including colors, product type, activities, and occasions. Example would be if you are selling a t-shirt for Mother's Day, you would add the tag Mother's Day shirt, moving on to shipping, where you set up your shipping charges. There are many options, but they're straightforward. If needed, you can change these settings, but we may cover this in a future video. You can also customize your default returns and exchanges policy. But remember, Etsy doesn't allow returns and refunds for digital products. In the shop section, you can categorize your products within your shop. You can also feature a listing to place it at the top of your store. You can enable Etsy ads if you want to pay Etsy to promote your products in their paid area, but we won't cover this in this video. Lastly, you can set renewal options. A listing lasts for 3 months for 20 cents, and you can choose to have it auto-renew. Let's talk quickly about the differences between physical and digital products. There are 2 main differences. You will need to upload your digital files to Etsy, and variations are not available for digital items. To upload your finished digital product, go to the Digital Files section, Click Add File and select the file you would like to upload. You can only have a total of 5 files. If you have more than 5, you'll need to zip the files. Once you've reviewed and confirmed all the details, click the Save and Continue button located at the bottom of the page. This will complete your listing, and it will display at the top of your shop page. At this point, you have created your first listing, but you could add more at this point if you want to. For now, let's click on Do This Later. Now let's set up your financial settings, like how you get paid and how you pay Etsy's fees. This step is crucial for verifying your identity and ensuring a secure and successful shop opening process. In order to comply with tax regulations, Etsy requires information regarding your business classification. The process of starting an Etsy shop doesn't mandate having an official business license. The majority of individuals will start their Etsy journey as an individual classification. This can be changed at a later time if you become a business. Choose the country your bank is located in. Choose if you are an individual or a business. If you are a business, you will need your business information and tax ID. If you are an individual, you will need your personal information, including your social security number if you are in the United States. To connect to your bank, click on Connect Your Bank. This may be different depending on what country you are in. Just follow the steps to connect with your bank. I will not show you this part to keep my information private. Next, you will need to enter your credit card information to pay for Etsy's fees. Just enter your information, click Save and Continue. Next, you will need to verify your account with an SMS message to a cell phone. Your shop is now officially open for business. However, it's recommended that you delve into the process of refining and enhancing your shop's appearance. Initially, your shop might display some vacant sections, indicating that you're a new and less established seller. To overcome this, take the time to edit and enrich your shop's content, thereby creating a more complete and appealing profile that resonates with potential customers and fosters a sense of credibility. This step is crucial for establishing a strong foundation and making a positive impression on visitors to your shop. Neglecting to complete the additional details, such as your shop title, profile photo, and location, can leave your shop looking incomplete. To address this, click on your Etsy shop under the Sales Channel section on the left. Then click on the Edit Shop button. As you embark on this process, you can enhance the visibility and credibility of your shop by providing accurate and engaging information. Starting with location, it's essential to ensure your shop has a specified location, particularly when dealing with physical products. This allows customers to have a clear understanding of the origin of the products they're interested in, contributing to transparency and trust in your shop. Next, you should change your shop logo. This should be an image that represents your shop. Click on the camera icon situated below the profile picture section. This photo choice can be a picture of yourself, your logo, or a product snapshot. The key is to select an image that best captures the essence of your shop and aligns with your brand identity, providing visitors with a clear visual representation of what your shop offers. Feel free to adjust the selected image to achieve the perfect dimensions for your profile picture by utilizing the cropping feature. Once satisfied, click the Save button to confirm your choice. Next click Looks Good to finalize your choice. You can come back and change this later if you need to. You can further personalize the visual representation of your shop. You can choose additional photos and videos, as well as craft a compelling story, headline, and an informative About section that delves into the essence of your business. This process is immensely valuable as it allows customers to gain deeper insights into your shop's identity, fostering a sense of trust and confidence in their purchasing decisions. By sharing more about yourself and your business, you're not only enhancing their shopping experience, but also initiating the development of a lasting connection. Such efforts contribute to building a brand that resonates with customers, encouraging repeat business, and establishing a loyal customer base. Take a few minutes to enter this information. You can incorporate links to your website and various social media platforms. Whether it's your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, or blog, you can seamlessly integrate these links here. This practice is highly recommended as it not only bolsters your online presence but also facilitates greater engagement and interaction with your potential customers. It's important to note that Etsy generally discourages including links that redirect users away from the platform. Therefore, it's recommended to refrain from adding external links in places other than this designated section. Towards the bottom of the page, you'll find the option to review and modify your shop policies. You can choose to edit these policies according to your specific needs, switch to a basic template provided by Etsy, or even personalize them further to align with your shop's distinct character and principles. This step allows you to establish transparent guidelines that provide clarity to your customers about your shop's practices and procedures. To modify your shop policies, simply click the Try It Now button in the Shop Policies section. This will enable you to make adjustments such as determining your stance on returns or exchanges. While you're not obligated to offer these options, it's worth noting that digital product shops cannot accept returns. Conversely, if your shop deals with physical products, it's advisable to offer this option, especially if you're shipping to Europe. European customers have the right to request returns if they're dissatisfied with the product, and providing this option enhances their shopping experience and reinforces your commitment to customer satisfaction. When you've reviewed and finalized all your selections, ensuring that your shop's setup aligns with your preferences, you can proceed by clicking the Publish Shop Policies button. This step makes your shop policies officially online and accessible to potential customers. Once you're satisfied with your shop setup, go back to your shop page and review all the elements you've added and adjusted. This thorough check ensures that your shop reflects your brand, policies, and offerings accurately before you officially start selling. Ensure that your About section, shop policies, and profile photo all meet your satisfaction. Review everything for consistency and accuracy. Since you added a listing while setting up your shop, you'll see it listed on your shop page. You can click on it to edit and make changes if necessary. Your shop is now ready to start selling. Congratulations! You've now learned how to set up your very own Etsy shop from start to finish. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting your creative journey off to a fantastic start. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest Etsy tips, tricks, and tutorials. Have questions or need further assistance? Feel free to drop them in the comments section below. I'll do my best to help you out. Remember, your Etsy shop is your canvas, and your creations are your masterpiece. Put your heart and soul into it, and watch your business flourish. Thank you for joining me today. Best of luck with your Etsy venture, and may your shop be filled with success and creativity. Until next time, happy selling and keep those creative ideas flowing.